I know.
Jake, can I have your...
Hey Willow, you're in the vlog once again. You are in the vlog.
Hey!
I'll cancel the elephant thing too.
We're elephant for singing happy birthday. And there's this scene in Sing 2 where the elephant is singing happy birthday like super extra and like outdoing everyone else. People on TikTok are like canceling her because they're calling her a pick-me. And she's literally an animated character.
What are you guys on to?
We really don't know.
About pick me elephants.
Yeah.
Any thoughts?
No thoughts.
Yeah, sure you can carry it, Bella?
40 pounds.
Strong.
And then the rest on top of the picnic table for the church.
Some strong corn right there.
Usually I just get out my pocket knife and cut a hole in it, but
Well, we don't own
I got well.
such devices. I actually do.
As a pocket knife? Actually, Landon probably has one on him right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Bella.
I thought he meant in a line this way.
Yeah, I mean, they don't eat their fruits out a certain way to eat it.
Well, the way
Yes,
you
they
did
do.
it was like
Yes, they do.
five.
Yeah, she did little 3 like dots.
Birds are really picky.
True.
They really pick me.
Should I ride on the back with you? Should I ride on the back? I don't think you're gonna fit.
Friday night I crashed your party. Saturday I said I'm sorry. Sunday came, trashed me out again.
Okay, so what are we doing?
We can go inside and get like hot chocolate.
It is. Oh, it doesn't say on here.
It is 1 minute and 30 seconds.
They believe in me.
Even when you don't believe in yourself, let's be
I believe in you, Landon.
Thank you.
On that spot, you should make my teeth shine. How about this? We do hood, and then we do.
I'll vlog for you.
Yeah. Where's your computer?
Okay, I think we're all a little weird right now.
We all need a little help.
Well, we drank too much.
We drank too much.
Coffee, that's what we call it.
Nice save.
Hey, now you're having an accent. You can't see you again.
No, your accent was
Is this racially motivated?
We will cancel you on the spot.
That was a good one.
I've never experienced like actually falling downstairs before. I felt so old. Like I went like face first.
How many stairs did you
Like probably halfway down all the way to the humidifier. There's a water spot in the pond that we have, and Max is gonna go down the hill and like kind of go under the water. If he falls in, he's like frozen. Here's the water. Max is going. Wish him luck. My is like so swollen.
Ah, my hat.
Wait a minute. What?
Look at Bella. Look at Bella. That was funny.
That would have been awesome.
You made it right. I made it crazy. But it just made me a lunatic, y'all.
guys, I'm headed out back. I have to find something to shoot at because we're gonna shoot the 40 that we have.
Lemon water. I thought it was gonna fall.
Oh, there's Kay and here's your lemon. Perfect board. Don't fall over to the press. Okay, this is perfect, guys. We can shoot this, and Max's mom will be happy.
I'm really excited to shoot a gun.
She was way too excited. She goes, I want a block. What the? Oh, dang.
Jake says, "You're gonna give us a ride back to Houghton Lake? We're freezing."
No, tell him no.
Is
Let
he
him
stopping
leave
here?
to die.
Does it have sound?
Yeah, so they will catch every single breath and scream and...
Tim says, "No way, suck it up, we're going."
Yeah, that's what I told
And then he goes, "I'm screwed."
Jake is a weak man.
I feel like it would work though.
Quieter.
It's quiet.
Wow, orange. Whenever I try to make a heart, it looks like a janked up booty. It's not bad. Okay, now you just have to leave it in, Landon.
Yeah, now it's going.
I thought you said a weird doobie.
That too.
You know what a doobie is?
No, actually.
You know what a doobie is?
It's like a joint, or like
A joint?
How do you know what a joint is? Hanging out with Clay too much.
Is that why they call them the Doobie Brothers?
Probably.
Guys, the best song.
Look at how close to the right she got. Go look.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, I told you I could.
Bad day.
She shot right there, guys.
Yeah, you just killed somebody.
Got it right there on the right.
Landon, say a couple words.
I don't have no words.
Oh yeah, Landon.
Oh, Landon. And just for reference, it's my mom.
Nice shot.
Yeah, nines. Yep, getting closer.
I'm terrible at shooting handguns.
Apparently.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot down there.
That was his first one.
Bottom one? Oh.
That was his.
Don't worry about it.
Well, never ask me to go have a bank with you.
Way back, all the way back.
Wild West.
Look at that revolver, guys.
Max, you're up. Over here.
Yeah, let's not shoot the carriage. Let's keep going further
I
up.
don't want to shoot the carriage. Keep going till it runs
Solid
out.
rock shooter.
Keep going to
I'm gonna go till it runs out, guys.
He's gonna go so long.
Hey, get a better stance.
That
like
was
this.
it.
That was it?
He's like, why'd he stop after 2?
Yeah, no, I was like, wait a second.
Watch out, Atlanta Community Bank. Got a glove over there in this picture.
Dad always does that. Come up with random good ideas. Amazing.
We're now sitting in a kayak.
Alright guys, we got the kayak hooked up right up to the snowmobile. Kind of like the hood we had earlier. Right now we got Landon on there. Driven by Mr. Romano. Oh, I got the edge. Oh my gosh, again. What the heck? Oh, he's on!
Okay, guys, he's going across the water.
Guys, he's gonna go across the water. Oh, I'm cold.
I don't want to die.
Funny story, my foot is too short to.
Hey, Kate.